This one na human beings matter. Fear human beings. My people, now so these guys carry themselves, they come out. They say that they go club. I don't know where that person win contract. I don't know, but all of them just they like happy mood, they jolly, they not be smart, you know. Can't see problem. As they dance, now so one of them can't use hand, put something inside the other one drink. He still they dance. Even they shout 2021, they dance. The other one too. I don't know whether they spray something for your eye. You understand? They can't make the thing confuse them so that you know go see where they put the thing for him drink. Now I say lie, I must bring this one. Come to my people so that you understand we go dey careful. So for now when no know wetin happen. Una when no believe say some people for this life they very wicked. I don't bring a corner aside. So join me, make we watch the video. They dance. They dance. That one even they hold in neck like brotherly. But see, waiting this thing they try tell you now. They say for life you need to be careful. You need to be careful. Say it never happened to you. No mean say it nothing happened to you. Say you never see your enemies with your koro. I know me say they don't exist. In fact, now those ones who even they very close to you. Angels. They look sweet the way they look like this. But I no be devil. I just tell and say na so they look. Innocent. My people, no trust anybody for this life. See, even my mama go tell me say, even she herself make her not dey trust am sometimes. My own mama, then imagine no, because many things they happen. Human beings, you know if you predict human beings mind or steps. You just deceive yourself anyhow. You know fit. See this one. If you be say you don't win contract, he call him friends, say okay, maybe they can't join and jolly. You understand? See what happen. Jealousy. Jealousy is real, oh. Jealousy is real. See, no be everybody way they celebrate with you. Truly they celebrate with you. Some people get evil intention where they don't even plan. Now why me? I don't like plenty friends. As I dey like this, I feel if I tell you say my friends reach 4, I dey lie. 2, I don't like so that if anything happen, I know who to look for. Una go get like 100 friends. When something don't happen, you don't even know who. You go consult the suspect. No. Be specific. This person, or one. You know that anything will happen, you know say na this person. 90% of every evil thing where they happen for people, now from people where they close to them. People where they gum body together, 90%. But I no go know. Now they disturb innocent village people. Not be everything be village people. See, my people, I bring this matter because it is very, very important. Una no say anything we get to do with keeping your life, are they very interested because una be my people. See, now them see your friends, those people where they close to you, where they gum body. Now them know your plans. Now them know your next move. Now them know your secrets. True, that statement where they make say, anybody will not know your next move, not fit kill you or not fit betray you. I don't know how they make that statement, but not true. Imagine say you do on your own low key, you they go out, you they come out, only you they make your plans, you they make your move, you not tell anybody how they want to attack you because they don't even know where to start from. But if you start to tell everybody, some people now their character be that any small thing, in fact the whole radio go announce them because they want make people see. Una no say some things they real. Keep your things to yourself. Sometimes secret not supposed to come out from your stomach. Leave it there. If people suppose say, I mean they say when they don't manifest. And another thing, now why some people if they travel, they know they tell people. You go and now say they travel, they don't go plant something there. Either aeroplane go crash, your car fit get accident, anything. So you keep something. When you travel, if you reach that side, call them. Are they so place? So why you not tell me? Oh, it was impromptu. See, it is very important. No be everybody suppose know your plan. You understand? No matter how close they are to you. Now why I know they like this bestie matter? Una go dey do best friends. No be best friend go still snatch your husband or your wife. No, I'm not to say me you get enemies or make you no make friends. Use your head. By now, wisdom, use your head. You understand? I beg una. You understand? I dey beg una. If you dey party or club, I don't even know which one I go even mention. Anywhere you find yourself, where you know say una plenty, una dey drink. If you stand up, go ease yourself. You no carry that drink. If you come back, no touch am. No touch am. And you see the way this guy carry cup now, they dance. Hey, 2021, hey, this one. Now, why they put something inside? Me, if I did somewhere with my friends, my hand, in fact, the whole of my palm, they cover the mouth of my cup. Or na can drink, or na bottle. I they hold on like this. The whole of my palm, they cover am. I know they use. See, this life is too precious. See, person fit die in 1 second. You don't need 2 hours. You don't need 24 hours. 1 second, you are gone. So they alert. Especially if you know say you know they alone. They alert. Because you go stand up now, go toilet, come back. They don't do what they want to do. Some of them even they rub am for the mouth of the cup. Once your lips don't touch am, it don't affect you. They wise. Wetin I talk? They wise. Now I bring this matter come una. You understand? I beg. And for una we no say, as una watch this video now, una we no say una know the guy, both the guy we drink am, the guy we put the thing. I beg, let me know immediately because we need to take action. You understand? I just dey hope say by now that guy no die. I just dey hope. But now for here, una still get the update. Now why una need subscribe and share this video so that we go help other people. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later. 24 years old now, Okada rider. Some people don't know wetin they call this one called do. They don't catch this one now. He carry juju. They say na that juju they use they kiki people. They turn some people to mad people. My people, no be small matter. According to the news wey reach me, they say this boy, he don't start the key since wey dey 17 years. 17. Even when he be 18 years, they say he kill one guy because of girl. Even they threaten him mama. If they tell him mama say, I'll kill this person, and he go do it. You know how many people this boy don't turn to mad? How many people he don't kill? How many people they under bondage? Many things. This one now, they don't catch her red-handed. Now I bring the matter on the side. So for now, we don't know how the boy look like. Una we never see juju person before. I bet join me, make we watch the video.
Obele nwa 24 years. Where da ogwu. Agwo di kosin ne mmare. Mando na enye nsi. Mando na akala. Obe nwere ife nwere isi ọ na-eme ọkada ka ọ na-agba bike man. I nwere ike isi dibe ya mee ka ijebe obodo oyibo na-abata.
I go ask again. How person wey no get money fit give you money? How? And I go continue to dey ask this thing until una head open. Why una dey deceive una self? They go look for money for person. See, and all of them even they dirty. No, una just see this guy. It look like wetin go soon disappear. See who they do juju. Be like say una no know devil. Una no know the way devil they operate. Now why una still they even look for who? Hi. Devil go blind you, It go blend you in a way. See, even if your eye white pass for this world, you still no go see road. And so devil they walk. And you no go know. People go even they advise you this one. See on top the fact say they even catch am. If they do face like we no even send people. Say, what are you going to do? Chai, Chineke. They even talk am. Heart of men, desperately wicked. Nobody feel no heart of men. Some of them say go they greet you, they smile with you. Behind your back, they don't already they plan your downfall. Many wicked people everywhere. I'm not just understand 17 years. This boy don't start a key. What did even they do for 17 years? What did they do? When are they 17? That time say even okay, now that time I even start a date. You understand? I bet see my people forget my matter. 24 years. You know, see this guy. I get serious problem with this guy. You be 17 when you start this thing. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. For 8 years, this boy don't. You know how many people go don't die? And the ones where up till now, they even they bondage, where they never release them. The ones where they mad, they walk out for streets. For hi Jesus. You know look for a job. All these years by now, assuming if you they work since that 17, since you say you no go school, assuming at work you they work by now, you for don't become better person. You they do juju. Juju when no even fit give you money make you change your jeans. See how your jeans trousers be like who don't already join mad people squad. You they do juju. Now you no get you no even get power to change your life. You no get power to make yourself look good, to come out of poverty, but you get power to turn people to. You no go change your miserable life. You they do some people matter. I not just don't understand that. Nonsense power where you carry. You never even feel cure corona. You no fit remove Buhari for that seat. Abi by people because now wetin we they look for. You no remove Buhari for that seat. You no cure corona. You no remove yourself and your family come out for poverty. So wetin be the power where they talk say he do this? Now to dey kill people. My brother, you are lost. You are seriously lost. I'm telling you, you are. In fact, you are far from lost, self. I beg. I don't just don't understand. Your mates, this guy mates, they abroad. They study IT. Something they learn how to read space, how to, you understand? How to invent things, how to this one. See am. You say now for Nigeria you won't die. You no even dey bothered. See as in face be. I don't just know where will they bring this kind. See, now why people they fear to go village? Now why people no want go village now? Because they know say they don't plenty for that side. So if you go save that same night when you reach there, you feel just die. Chineke. I beg my people, how many people will they run from? How many people will they run from? Because I don't tire. Politicians, will they run from politicians? Will they run from uniform people? Will they run from kidnappers? Will they run from headsmen? Juju people again. I beg who will offend? Hey, Jesus Christ. See, anything wey they want to do with this guy, I beg make they do am. You understand? Make they do am. I no get strength and I no even get the time. Make they do anything wey they want to do to this guy. You understand? Now them know. Because this malice, hatred, and many bad things, it they happen now because all these people no say last they go forgive them. And there's still plenty out there. No be because we just catch this one. There's still plenty. Forget them. Leave matter for Matthias. They plenty for them. And as they don't hear say they catch this one, they go just slow down for a while. You understand? Because they don't say the matter they on top their head. After, you go see they will come again. Now only God go protect us. Now why always they tell you now? No forget to they pray. You understand? Because if you they pray, they no even feel see your head. You understand? They no feel see your head. It is very important. Like my daddy go they tell me, he go say, what did they call that thing? Fly no feel stand for hot stove. You no feel because you no say you go die. It's too hot. If you dey prayerful, they no feel see you. Because you go there too hot for them to even touch you. Now people will know they now why did they use some people? If you know they pray, if you just dey there, you go out, you come in, it go just they happen to you. They no fit catch some of us. We know wetin we carry. You understand? Now God dey with us. We forget small girl like me. I get big God behind me. It's very, very important. I beg my people, make una dey pray every time before you come out for house. Even when you come back from house, don't forget, una always need to always dey talk to God. It is very, very important because the life wey we dey live now, this world without God, una no go survive am. Na my advice be that. Yes, and I wan know wetin una think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section. Don't forget to share this video, make it go viral because people need know wetin dey happen now so that they go dey alert and they go dey careful. I love you guys. See you later.